The confidence and the trust that I got straight away pretty much made the decision for me there and then. We had the old boiler for about 3 or 4 months whilst in this property, and it was never that warm, if I was really honest with you. We always thought that we had the risk of it breaking down because we knew there'd been repairs done to the boiler before. It was a cold property, but since the new boiler's gone in, one, the energy bills have dropped, which is absolutely brilliant. Two, we can control now what the temperature is in the household, which we never had that before. They were absolutely brilliant. They looked after the house. It was a bit difficult for them in all fairness because we was having the windows done at the same time, but they were working around each other really good. And they were really courteous and polite at all times, and there was no mess. So I didn't know, if you have a bigger size property, you may need a larger boiler. So he was guiding me through the whole process of like the different types of boilers, the brands, what they do. And then we was able to make a decision ourselves based on a recommendation he made as well. So it wasn't really pushy. The old boiler was quite a big boiler, so it was taking up a large proportion of the wall, and it was open so you could see it. But the new boiler was a lot more slicker, a lot more slimmer. Once I got the cupboard doors on, and it's all fitted in and blended in nicely with the kitchen now, which is absolutely perfect. I definitely recommend HydroHeat. They were absolutely fantastic when I come out. The team were brilliant. You know, they were all very knowledgeable, all very confident in what they were doing, and I'd have no problems at all recommending them to anybody.